Towards the next segment, I request Shri Vinod Karwa to accompany Mr. Ritesh Sharma and Mr. Satya Prakash to the dais. Can we please welcome them with a round of applause, please? So, there is very interesting thing for everyone. After every session, we'll be having a lucky draw. But the condition is you have to be seated. You're not going anywhere. Well, Mr. Ritesh Kumar is a sales head at TIPCO Engineering Works, a mechanical engineer by profession. He has over 10 years of experience. I would request both the gentlemen to come to the center of the stage. May I request to present a beach box to Mr. Ritesh Sharma and Mr. Satya Prakash. Well, Mr. Satya Prakash is the sales head at TIPCO Engineering India Private Limited, a mechanical engineer by education. He is an experienced sales professional with 20 years in sales and business development pan-India. Over to these wonderful personalities who will be taking ahead the next session.
For giving a platform to us to present about our TIPCA and how we are and what we manufacture and what are the solutions we can offer to the Indian paint and coating industry. So we'll just, instead of wasting much of time, we'll just go to the presentation. Not going slide. Okay. So today we are here to present about TIPCO. Basically, we are the equipment design and consultancy, process, automation and packing solution we can offer to the industry. Today's agenda is about TIPCO, a brief introduction of TIPCO and what exactly we are into. We are into effective mixing and milling technology. TIPCO, we have a wide product range we can cover to the paint, ink and coating industry. TIPCO today, we position ourselves as a one-stop turnkey solution supplier to the water-based as well as solvent-based industries. And a brief about on water-based plants, what we can offer to that industry. And again, a solvent-based plants and a little bit of plant automation. Today, it is a buzzing word everywhere that IoT 4 or Industry 4 is coming up. So a little bit on the plant automation, we can go into touch on that. So just brief on TIPCO. We are a company established in 1985. Today, TIPCO proudly can say that we are one of the leading manufacturers and exporters of machines in paint, ink, resins, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, decorative and industrial coatings, specialty chemicals, agrochemicals and personal care. And we are providing solutions in mixing, milling, homogenization and turnkey solutions in India and overseas. We have a wide product range of basket. We have hydraulic mixers in both floor and suspended dissolvers. We are into TSDs, bead mills, basket mills, pug mills, sigma mixers, putty, aerator, batch mills. We also do reactors. We have one of the best lab models, contra mixers and homogenizers. Today, TIPCO is strongly determined to be in the industry where we produce very high quality machines and also complete turnkey solutions to satisfy customer requirements from raw material to the final finished product. Today, TIPCO infrastructure, today we have one of the best infrastructure with world's best CNC machines, VMC machines, laser cutting, polishing machines by following accurate standards. So to get a better product, we need a better machines. So we have a wonderful machines of high quality Doosan machines in our factory. These are one of our machines running in our factory. And we have one of the latest Puma, which is a 5-axis machine, where we can make any single component with most accurate, laser cutting machines, and we have polishings. A bit more, we have a laboratory setup where customer can come and do the trials in our factory. We have approximately 50,000 square feet of production area. Today we have a 90+ workforce with our in-house design team, in-house engineering, where we can offer customized solutions to each and individual customer. Today we are ourselves focused in turnkey solutions, where from 50 tons to 500 tons per day with production capacity we can offer solutions. We have our own design teams where we can better by better every day. So we have a design team to give better solutions, efficient product and process solutions. To support you, we have an offices in Delhi, Sonipat, Pune, and still we are further expanding. These are one of our key clients, like we are in Normed. We are one of the major suppliers to most of the industries, sir, in painting and coatings, and also in the construction chemicals. These are few projects we already done with Sirca, Normed, Senlac Paints, Crystal, Acrojeca Cement. To brief on our wide product range, what we exactly offer into the industry, sir, we have high-speed dispersers with both hydraulic as well as floor mounted. In this, we have single stage, single shaft, multi-shaft, vacuum, scrappers, and homogenizers. We have TSDs with single, coaxial, and 3-shaft, multi-cowl design. Mixers, we can position in fixed type as well as on the load sills. We have basket mills, we have horizontal bead mills or dyno mills, we call, in digs, pegs, and agitator designs. High shear homogenizers in both in tank as well as bottom in line. Batch mid mills, attrators, lab models, and customized solutions. Coming to effective mixing and milling, everybody knows it's a very important process in each industry. So, first the material should be wetted, dispersed, and properly stabilized. So we have coming to mixing, sir, we have the wide range of mixers with various designs and blades. You can see with the butterfly design, cowl design. In cowl design also we have wide range of blades where we can offer any type of mixing solutions. This is a various range of dissolvers we have with vacuum, with lifting systems, with grippers, with the different type of blades, scraper blade, twin blade, and butterfly blades. And we can offer a range from 1 HP to 300 HP range. And coming to homogenizers, sir, we have high shear homogenizers with the rotastrator design process. In this we can offer in tank type, inline. In inline we can offer in single stage, 2-stage, and 4-stage. We are also having a bottom homogenizers where from the bottom you can, from the vessel it can be taken recirculated. And we have a super series with 4200 RPM with some for special applications. In this homogenization, this is a hydraulic type we developed recently where we can offer different types of blades. You can see where there are 3 starter blades with the emulsion, agitation, and emulsification. So we can give all the designs in the hydraulic system of design. And today we are also developed a called basket mill. We are given to various industries and the performance is very good. Like in this, it's a itself is a big subject, but see, this comes with the mixing as well as the grinding technology. So we have our own in-house design team where we developed this basket mill and we got the results of perfect. Maybe I will share some trial reports where we already successful in basket mills. And we also offer some customized solutions where you can see this is a 3-tank with an hydraulic system design based on a platform. So this we have given to various industries almost in overseas also, in Uganda, in Dubai with the systems. And coming to bead mills. So this is the process you generally have, like we have a premix, milling and grinding, and a post-mix. So in this we offer the wide range with the mixing like dissolvers. In bead mills we offer a wide range. This is the process you have once a micro, single micro, and nano microns. So, recently we developed a lot of super series in bead mills. We have all the range from THM, you got from 5 liters, 10 liters, 15 up to a range of 100 liters with the flow capacities of 0.5 LPM to 30 LPM. And in MOC, we developed a wide range of materials with SS304, SS316, ceramic, silicon carbide, and PU to address all the industry requirements. This is one of the pictures we are already running at various factories, and this is our design. And you can see that design with pegs also. And we are offering various metallurgies to show some of the shells we provided here with calcium carbide and silicon. And we also developed a premium series with the THD and THC, where it comes with high range of MOC as well as with PEGS design. There's other just to show what's the product range we can offer, like we can offer to atterators, pug mills, plough shear, ball mills, vertical sand mill, and few range of lab models. Today, everything when you make into production, you need lab models. So we have a wide range of lab models. Even we can offer some customized solution to your requirements also. So it's a wide range where we can offer from 200 ml to a capacity of 5 liters with wide range, with a touch screen and all the options you can have. Okay. And over to Mr. Ritesh to cover on the turnkey solutions we can offer in the water-based as well as in the solvent-based.
Good morning, everyone. So basically, what we required exactly today, किसी से भी हम लोग बात करने जाते हैं, it is basically the automation. And automation, how many companies are there who are going to give the complete solution for your complete process? Like if you want to have a production of capacity of near about 5 tons, 10 tons, 15 tons, or 20 tons, might be 100 to 200 tons per day. As TIPCO, today 250 tons per day, water-based, including your water-based primers, distempers, emulsions. And in this project, I'm going to describe you what are the things which we can do in the both of the way, on the bigger segment or in the SME segments. Right now, we are doing the projects for majorly 3-4 companies. Like we just got an order from JK Max Paints also for them. We are doing capacities near about 250 tons per day for the water base. Aditya Birla primers, we are doing for them, it is near about 100 tons per day. And these projects means including from their ground level, from their civil till the production and the storage capacities. This everything designed and manufactured by us. Again, we are doing one more, in abroad we are doing one project that is for the Normet. Might be heard about the construction chemical. It is similar to the water base where water is added approximately 20 to 30% and the powder levels are high. And we are doing in chromatic paints, silica paints, new water-based plant is coming, that are also we are doing. What are the things which we need to check in the water-based plant when we are deciding the plant? The first thing is storage tanks. When we talk about the storage tanks, they are the emulsion tanks. That is the first thing, because we know in the paint industry, when we are making water-based paint, we need to have a different kind of emulsions, because we are going to make a different kind of products like primers, high gloss, distemper and high gloss luxury emulsions. So for that, the first thing is storage tanks for the emulsions. Other thing is utility services. See, when we are designing plant for the water based or the solvent based, the important to run that plant is the utility services. That includes your chillers, that includes your compressors, those all capacities while designing the plant we do on your behalf. Silos for the powder conveying. See, if we talk about the water-based product, to handle the powder is much difficult. Because see, in the complete area, if we talk about the 200 tons of water-based paint, that means approximately 100 to 150 tons of 100 tons at least powder you need to be stored in your factory. And if you have a production planning for the 1 week or 2 weeks, then the capacities go more about the 1,000 tons or 1,500 tons. So for that, powder conveying system and silos we are offering in the market to handle the powders in a better way. Liquid transferring system. As liquid transferring system, again, you are transferring of water in actual values, what values you want in your machine. Secondly, your emulsions and additive. That comes in the liquid transfer. Now, I'm going to describe the process of the automation for the water base from TSG to mixer till packaging. And we have some solution for packing machine also, where we can commit that 1 liter, 24 boxes per minute till cartoning. Mean packing, capping, your reweighing, cross-check, whether it has a material of the kgs which you have set. So that's what we are doing in packing. For the retail and bulk, we are doing in both the way. See, for TIPCO, when we talk about the plant layout, we are in the plant layouts, we are doing from your office block, labs, your production area, your storage capacities, and this is the basic, the first, whenever we met any customer for the designing of the plant, we basically present the complete idea, I mean, how to move with the automation plant. We start with the storage tanks. When we talk about the storage tanks, we have few systems. Lorry is coming with the emulsions and unloading to the storage tank. It is a first area, and when it is clearly calculated in the water-based area, so might be for tomorrow, today, or 1 week, your productions are clear, which products you can take, what RMs you can take. We can calibrate the storage systems with your software also, which can help you in future planning of your products. If we talk about the PNID or the process of the automation water-based process, if we practically talk, there is a TSDs on the first stage. क्योंकि हम लोगों का जितना वाटर बेस का जितना प्रोडक्ट बनना है, माइट भी एमल्शन बनना है, प्राइमर बनना है, we need to have a mill base of the powders with the water and few additives. So that all come automatically to the TSD. That is the first stage of the mixing. And that material coming from the storage tanks, might be from the additive, from the emulsions. Then it's shifted to the second stage with the help of gear pump, might be 24 meter cube, or somebody needs to be empty these TSD, might be in 3 minutes, 4 minutes, can be possible with the gear pumps. So after your mill base is ready with the TSD, you can transfer this to the mixing tank. See, practically, if we talk about the oil base, it is much difficult. But when we talk about the water base, it is really simple, but it needs to have a lot of power, because viscosities are high, mill base powders are high. In that case, we need to give more power in that. So once your process is designed here, I mean primers or emulsion, it will be transferred to the mixing tank. Mixing tanks is basically let down tanks, or you can say that some company says like it is a packing tanks, where you need going to add the final emulsions to final touch up for your product. But once the mill base is ready in TSD, the final work is done with the mixing tanks. And when we want to increase our capacities, like any company wants to make 10 tons, 20 tons, 30 tons, how it can do very easily. हम लोगों का कोई भी प्रोसेस है, एक प्रोसेस डिफाइंड है वाटर बेस के लिए, कि हमें वाटर बेस प्रोसेस के लिए प्राइमर्स या एमल्शंस, इसमें कितना टाइम लगने वाला है. If we talk about the TSDs, for filling the TSDs with the liquids and powders, with the automated powder system, it takes 15 minutes, 5 ton के TSD के लिए. Transferring to mixing tank, it takes again maximum by 30 to 40 minutes. And then finalization, and then again packing. And we can make different shades from 1 TSD to 3 mixing tanks. So this is the basic PNID in the process flow diagram for the water-based paints with the automation. See, as TIPCO, we were very much into mills earlier, but now we come to the TSD. When we talk about the water-based TSDs are very important in the industry. What we have done for the TSDs in the complete system. See, we are providing this TSD with the hydraulic lifting. We are giving the TSD with the centric design with a center shaft. For making 5 tons or 3 tons, we can have a motor 250 HPs to give the better performance. Secondly, the scrapper is there. So in coming days, might be whenever we talk about the water base for the huge capacities, the first thing that's come is TSD. Second, which I told you, the mixing tank, which comes just after the transferring of the material from TSD to mixer. This is our mixing tank, where we are going to finalize the product and then shifting to the packing machine for the packing. If we talk about the process, this is the process time batch system with our system, which we are offering as a TIPCO for the water-based complete solution. That is, for the TSD batches, this is 2 to 2.5 hours. Raw material transferring time is 30 to 40 minutes. Mixing time again 2 hours. That means our final material 5 ton to reducing the viscosities approximately 8 ton of material. The capacities can be increased by the increasing the size of TSD, by the increasing size of mixing tank. And for the next batch preparation for the cleaning and other thing, that needs to be prepared in 20 to 30 minutes. And you can see the diagram. In this diagram, you can see that how the powder will come on the top. This is the powder post-weighing silos, which transfer the material to the TSD, then TSD to the mixing tank, then again the packing. So this is the complete flow for the water-based paint plant. This is the basic powder automation which we are offering in the market. In this, right now we can handle the complete powder solutions. If somebody needs to be stored 100 tons, 200 tons, 500 tons for the powder in automatic system and transferring that powder after weighing to the TSD or the mixing tank can be possible with these systems. The basic flow chart for the water-based powder conveying system where you just need to take a bags. आपने 25 kg, 30 kg कोई भी standard bag लिया, you don't need to cut. You just put in the slating machine. Then this machine will transfer the complete powder to the pre-weighing silo or the batching silos. See, हम लोग जितना भी अपने प्रोसेस के अंदर लेबर सेव कर पाएंगे और अब स्टोरेज कैपेसिटीज को बढ़ा पाएंगे उतने एरिया के अंदर, that even only possible with the powder conveying system. This is basically for your additive storage tanks and additive automation. Picking system is basically used to clean up the complete line from TSD to the mixing tanks. Retail and bulk packing machine, as I told you that for the retail and bulk packing machines, we have options to pack near about 24 4-liter box per minute and 48 per minute. This is the minimum capacity which we are offering. We have a capacities till 72 1-liter boxes. With weighing and cartoning. The speed and the machine is combined run with the filling to the cartoning system till labeling. This is ARS system. It is now every day. It is very famous. Everybody want to work with the storage capacities of the powder in your factory. And in coming time, because we need to eliminate a lot of errors for the dispatches, for the storage capacities, these systems are coming in the market. We are doing this for two companies. The complete AR system those systems are really very big for the storage of everything, all the raw material and finished good. The oil-based automation is a simple, just a bed mill added in the system. Basic 3D view for the water-based small plants for 50 tons to 100 tons per day. This is the way we design the plant. These are some photographs where you can see how the plants are designed and our specialty, whatever the space you offer. हम लोग अपने customers के, we see always the project designing is a challenging thing. The challenging when you say that this is a brownfield project. See, greenfield projects are always easy. Whenever we talk about the brownfield, we have to work for you, as per your requirements. And really, in this project also, you can see that the spaces are very less, but we are able to manage the production area and able to give the customer the complete automated system. This automation for your storage tanks for the solvent, might be for your emulsions. This is a basic PNID in the process. See if you want to know how much material is there in your tanks. In complete SCADA system or completely on your computer. Today the technology is very high. Whatever data you want to know on our fingertips, it is possible. The capacities, the material, when it comes, when it is about over, it is calibrated with your production. It can be done very easy way. Because ABB and Siemens, both are companies that are working with a lot of paint companies, and their all toolbox galleries are ready for as per the paint manufacturing requirements. Automatic for the resin mixing, you can see the levels and weight. This is a basic batch card for the automation. Whenever you're planning to have batches can be made as per this. Automatic post-mixing and mixing grinding system. This is basically when we talk about the oil-based epoxy SPUs, including grinding mills. Nowadays, for the TIPCO, grinding mill is one of the part in our complete process. So it can be adjusted in any system. For the pre-grinding or post-grinding, wherever it is required, we can adjust it. Manual filling station. Again, it is a very, see, today we have a very less time. We started very late. Manual filling station or auto filling station it has a very good requirements in coming time. Like सब पेंट वालों को अलग अलग बैचेस, अलग अलग रेसिन्स, अलग अलग सॉल्वेंट्स, अलग अलग एडिटिव्स को एक क्वांटिटी पे लेना है. वी कैन डू द कंप्लीट कोडिंग ऑफ द प्रोसेस एंड इट विल बी वेरी इजी फॉर एनीवन टू टेक a single mean for 100 kg or 1000 kg. Batches can be taken very easily. Same metal handling system. This is simple for resin plant. We also do some resin plants. Resin plant PNID. Again, in resin we do complete automation and complete engineering for the resin plants also. Some key benefits, and really it works: reduction of manpower, consistency in product, high productivity, low wastage, saving energy, and complete transferability. I mean, whatever you're doing, it is on your documents, on your screen. Thanks.